So let us look at the debtors side of things. So after you've done your bank reconciliation, allocated all the receipts from customers, you go to the end of month, print out the debtors edged balances report. Make sure the period here is June 2023, and you preview it. And you can make it a bit bigger by selecting this option here, page width. It's a bit bigger, and then you can see the figure in this balance column all the way down. So I've got different currencies here. They'll all be separated. And you will see the balance figure here. The total is down here. And then make a note of this figure so that we'll be able to see it in the next report. Close this. Close it here. And then we look at the reconcile receivables account report. Make sure the period here is June 2023. Preview that report. And you will see the receivables value. This comes from that previous report we saw, the debtors aged report. And this account balance comes from the debtors control account. That's from your general ledger. And the out of balance amount here should be 0. Sometimes you'll see a figure in there even after you've posted everything. There could be a number of reasons why this difference is arising. It could be that there's a journal that has gone through directly and it's not getting picked up maybe. But we can run a few utilities. Your partner, Exo partner, can run a few utilities in the background to have a look what's going on. So yeah, just give them a call and they should be able to assist you in finding this difference. So again, you can do this page width and the report becomes a bit bigger to view on the screen. And then you can run your data statements and send them your statement as well.